Listen, they'll never know, Brenda. Okay, they'll never know.
Murder, bring them hoes out. They love that gold mouth. Hit the brinks and bring them loads out. That boy done showed.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also SipnSlay, and your girl got her water today. I'm still congested, and the wine is just not agreeing with me right now. I know, I'm hot. So I'm gonna keep on staying hydrated, and hopefully soon I will have me a little drinky drink. Okay, but you know, sip it up for me, thanks. But anyway, before we style this unit together, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know a thing. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, chasing the highs, yeah the highs, yeah the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna...
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from HerGivenHair. All the specs of my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Let's go ahead and put this joint on. You guys saw me prep it already. It does have the elastic band already attached, so I should just be able to slip this joint on my head. Now this does come with a 4x4 lace parting space. I thought it was going to be a 13x4 or a 13x6, so the plan that I had in my head for this wig may not work, but I think I'm gonna see. So I'm not using the adjustable straps on here because most of their wigs do run a little bit small on me. So let's just take those off and put this on my head. Hold up, I don't want to mess up my curls. Now I'm pretty sure this is a 10-inch, so I think this is the shortest wig I have tried from them, I think. All right, so the lace is pretty decent. With it being a closure, you will need to cut off, you know, these little parts right here. The hairline is okay, but I will probably go in and pull a little bit more hair out once I get my curls right. Just come across like this. Just cut this lace off. Still got a little piece, this little stuff right here. Okay, so the lace is off. Now I'm trying to see whether I want to wear this unit, the hairline right here, or do I want to turn it so I can have me a side look. Decisions. It's not really changing up the shape too much if I turn it to the side, but I think I'm gonna leave it in the middle for now, and then once I style it in the middle, I'll see if I can, you know, shift it to the side to give me a different look. I want to go ahead and do a little bit of makeup, and then we'll come back, take these out together, and see how this is looking. Makeup is done. Put my glasses back on. Okay, so I need to unravel this hair, and I'm gonna keep my mousse right beside me, okay? Because in case I need to freshen up a little bit of the twist. So it's gonna take it out like that. Okay. Some of the ones in the back are still kind of wet. It's been hours. What's going on? That's okay. Keep on twisting, keep on twisting. Put a little bit of mousse right there. This one's a little janky. Make sure my ends are defined. I don't want them to be frizzy. Ooh, my stomach is growling. This part right here is probably the longest part of the process. Just to make sure the curls are, you know, how I need them to be. Coming together, it's coming together. Just gonna make sure my ends are good. I am getting a little bit of shedding with this. All right, let me use my pick just to give some lift to the hair. All right, let me pull some of this hair out in the front just to make sure it's how I need her to be. And put some more mousse on this one. Blend my lace in with my contour. Hold up. Let's get this one together. I don't want to pick it out too much more. This gives me like the natural vibe. Okay, so now for the styling, should I wear it to the front or to the side? Let's see. If I turn it to the side, let's bring this over like this. I think we're gonna leave it like that. I do need to bobby pin this down in the back because I want to make sure it's flush against my nape. Like that. This is definitely giving me a very natural look. Let me bring my edges out. I want it to be a little curly too. So I think that is all. This will definitely fake out a lot of people. I believe it because it just looks really natural. I had to tell y'all this real quick. I went outside to check my mail just now and 2, okay, not 1, but 2 of my neighbors said they like my hair. Okay, they loved the hair. Okay, one was okay, and they both said they loved my hair. Listen, they'll never know, Brenda. Okay, they'll never know. And some people may not like this because of the, you know, the length or whatever, but just understand most of our natural hair looks like this more than it looks like those 18-inch bundles that you see me wearing, okay? My natural hair is around, I wouldn't even say it's this length, it's shorter than this, but this is how I want my real natural hair to look. And I know for my PCOS, it's never gonna look like this. So wigs like this definitely help me out to give me the look that I want with my natural hair. Let me turn to the side and to the back, okay? To the side, and then to the back. Now some of the curls may still be clumped together because I cannot see back there, but just pretend that they're not. I have no complaints about this wig at all. I could definitely add like a little headband on here. I could do a little pin up on the side if I wanted to. And this one I'm pretty sure is a more affordable option for HerGivenHair because of the lace parting space and the inches for this one. So sometimes you gotta get in where you fit in. This is what the hairline and the lace is looking like. I just pushed mine forward and kind of left it like that. But like I said, it's only a 4x4 lace parting space, so my lace is only right here. But that looks real natural though, right? Okay, fluff it out a little bit more, and there we go. What works for me may not work for you, and guess what? That is okay. I want to show you guys some different options in different lengths, in different wigs, so that you know what's out there, so in case you want to try something different, you can definitely go ahead and do that. Now, even though this hair is 10 inches, you can stretch it out. So if you want like a bigger bush or whatever, just take your blow dryer on warm heat and kind of just flow it through the hair while you pull it, and it'll make that bush a little bit bigger. I don't want mine to be too big because I want it to kind of fluff out on its own, so I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna try to leave it alone. This can definitely be an everyday wig for me. It may have seemed like a lot of work just for me to define the curls the way that I did, but you don't gotta do that. Skip that part if you don't wanna do that much work, but for me to get a look that I want, it's never too much time. Now, normally HerGivenHair be coming for the pockets heavy, but this one is a more affordable option for HerGivenHair. The quality is still there. The price point is just a little bit lower for this wig than we have seen in past units. It still may be out of budget or it still may be a lot to some people, but for the brand, it is a more more affordable option. Okay, but that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.